everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time visiting my channel, my name is Joanne and I do unboxing videos. So today we've got Birchbox. Now Birchbox is, I think it's £10 a month and £3.95 postage and packaging, or you can, I got the annual one, which is £99 for the whole year, and then you don't, that's all you have to pay. Or so that is it. So this is the July Birchbox box, and because I think there was some of you use my referral code, I think so that's that. You use my referral code and you got a discount, and that sim code is in the description box down below. So there we go, and let's just see what I got in this July box. Oh, I must say that box is really pretty. I love the spiral effect on it. It's gorgeous. It's like coming up super shiny. Well done, Birchbox. I love that box design. So okay, it's pretty. It's got stars on it as well, and yeah, and it is the draw design, which is also super. I do like that. So it's just gonna pull out like so, and there it is. Right, so we have got, oh, it's the unicorn design. Wow, that's just really nice. So it says born a unicorn, born unicorn. Pretty good, I like that. And so this is the content of the July box. So there we go. Sorry if you can hear people, but I live in a house where there's other people. So yeah, so there we go. And so let's just get into this box. I must say it looks pretty good. It looks like you got your money's worth with this month's box. So I'm just going to pull out the first item, which is a hair frizz fixer. Oh, it's by Percy and Reed, and there we go. Is it on a focus camera? So okay, so it has pretty well focused, and that is usually a good brand. It's Percy and Reed, so you can't go wrong with that. No. And then the next item, what I'm just going to pull out to show you, is the Lumini, I think I said that right, Fresh Skin Tint Glow. So this is like an, I think it's an illuminator. I don't know if my camera will focus on that. I've got a really shaky hand and I can't stop my hand shaking, but there we go. So you've got a pretty well good look at that. And I will pull out the items and then we'll have a little look at them. That is what I normally do in my video. Oh, and today I'm wearing my friend's t-shirt. Not my friend's t-shirt. No, that sounds a bit weird. I love the program Friends. So I like getting the Friends merch. And also I might have a Stranger Things unboxing coming up. So that's something to look forward to because I like Stranger Things as well. Okay, we have got a... Hello, is it gonna focus? Come on, camera. Okay, so there we go. It is a gel effect long wear plumped nails ink and nail varnish. Okay, so it's pretty cool. Always cool to get a nail varnish. So, and we've got a Marcel mascara. So this is my second mascara of the month, and I ain't complaining because I always go through mascaras, quite a lot of them actually. So there we go. And then the next item, I actually do like this one. I've used it before and we've had it in boxes, beauty boxes before. It is a This Works Deep Sleep Spray. It's just absolutely amazing. I do suffer with anxiety, and sometimes I just put this in my bag, and if I'm out in the car or out on public transport, I'll just spray this, and honestly it's so calming, so relaxing. It is really a good one. You don't just have to use it on your bed. You can use it any way you want. And that is pretty good. So, as advertised by like last month's Birchbox, we were going to get a floss everyday eyeshadow. So they have put that one in. I'm sure that was what they were saying. So there it is. Mine is in the shade Maui. Did I say that correctly? Maui. I must get my nails done. There you go. It's actually showing up Maui. So yeah, so there we go. And let's just have a little play with the items, because I love to do that. That is why I like unboxings, because I just get to actually look at new things. So, a sneak peek for the August box. Now look away now if you don't want to see the sneak peek, but this is it. There we go, sneak peek. Has it focused? I don't know. So in every box next month, you will get a soothing spritz from Balance Me Natural Skincare. So to hydrate, plump and calm your summer skin with a superfine mist enriched with hyaluronic acid and chamomile water. I'm not sure what I think about that. It would maybe be ideal if it was full-sized, but we never know. So it could be one to watch out for. It's certainly interesting. So I'm going to show you this item. So this is the Percy and Reed Also Smooth Frizz Fixer. It's using coconut oil, moringa oil and sweet almond seed cake. This silicone-free fly-away taming spray. It conditions, smooths, frizz, kills static and enhances shine in just one simple step. Shake well and spritz into a hairbrush or your hands. If your hair's curly, then brush through it. Voila, silky smooth. Okay, so I'm going to be, now this is like shocking, but I'm going to use my hairbrush because it like what it said. So we're just going to spray it in. Is it going to be, oh, we have to open it first. I do like that. The open and shut is just turn it. It's a really good. Right, okay, so we're spraying down the hairbrush. Now then, I got a little bit of frizz going on here. So I'm just go, oh yes, I like that. It's actually taming. I can actually see the frizz going down on my hair. I like that. It's left it silky as well. That is a good product. I do like that, but how much is it? Because actually, once that's gone, I'll be wanting to buy that. So I'm sure that that is not full size neither. So the RRP price, it is £15 for that. And it's a Birchbox exclusive. So it's not full size. So, oh, well, what can we do? And then the next item, what I'm interested in, is this one, which is an RRP price of £32.90. Now I'm just going to get rid of this box because it's going to annoy me. So I'll just put that down there. £32.90 for that. Right, so this is the Invisible Illumination Instant Glow Fresh Skin Tint in Universal Medium, formulated with radiance boosting Arctic spring water and antioxidant rich Arctic cloudberry seed extract. So this skincare and makeup hydrates, perfects and brightens your complexion. Using your fingers or a brush, apply the lightweight gel all over your face as a foundation, or if you want more coverage, a tinted primer. Interesting. So it says, see what? See what? Ever Lumini products contains the finest mega moisturizing Arctic spring water. Oh, interesting. So this is it here, and there we go. Oh, I like that colour. There it is, there. So I'm just going to pop a little bit on my cheeks. Oh wow, that feels so hydrating. And it's just, I'm just going to check in my mirror, see what it's actually doing. Because I can't really see much. Oh, it's actually giving me like a shine. Like it's like it illuminated my skin. I thought it would have actually been more like a foundation. It feels really nice, so I do like that product. That is another one I like. So yeah, that gets a thumbs up. I like that product. Right, okay, moving swiftly on to the next item, which is the Marcel mascara. Now this is £14.50. It's a Birchbox exclusive, and it's Birchbox exclusive like the Lumini Glow Fresh Skin Tint that I've just shown you. There is the Marcel mascara. Using a uniquely curved and tapered brush that hugs the natural shape of your eye, the blacker than black mascara grabs hold of every lash to divide, lengthen and curl, plus the buildable formula stays in place all day whilst never clumping or flaking. Make sure you shimmy through the brush back and forth to grip every lash from root to tip. Okay, so it says, you won't find Marcel anywhere else in the UK. The award-winning brand is exclusive to Birchbox, so you could only buy it off them. And I've got that spray everywhere. Well, not spray. It is this. It was all over my hands. Right, okay. Right. Oh wow, I do like that brush. That's going to make it super easy to get in there. It really is, and I do like it for underneath my bottom lashes. I will make a hash of it because that's just what I do. Yeah, so actually my little review of that makes it, what I'm actually saying to you is it's so easy to get in underneath the, you know, the lash line and for the bottom ones as well, because with it being like a small one, you're not going to poke yourself in the eye, whereas with the longer ones I tend to do that. So that's a thumbs up because I do like that. Good. And so that one is £14.50. There's the price of your box there gone. Right, so we got a eyeshadow, which is a floss eyeshadow, and this is a full-sized item, and it is £12.50. So it's a Birchbox exclusive as well. Is it going to focus? No, did I get it to focus? Right, so, and it is full-sized. So it says, universal, flattering, these buttery shimmery shadows from Floss Beauty glide on smooth and blend with ease, even if you just use your fingertips. And don't the playful champagne and soft coral shades just scream summer. Buff over your eyelids for a wash of soft, glowing, long-lasting colour, or build to go bold. Okay, so let's just try this. By the way, this is not tested on animals, so it's pretty good. I do notice in the back, and I'll show you it if it's going to be nice in camera. So there, you'll see it's not tested on animals, and that's always a good thing that they don't test on animals. Okay, So I'm going to have to rip the box because it just won't come out. But we'll get there in the end. Oh wow, it looks a really nice colour. That is it there. Right, so to show you it, I'm going to just swatch it first. I'll do a swatch about there. Sorry if you're going to see my brow thing, because I've just been trying out a brow. It's not going to show up very much on the camera, but it's a light pink, so it's not overpowering. So now I'm just going to try it on my eyelids, and let's just see what it does. Just gives a pop of colour. I do quite like that. Oh wow, that looks really nice. I like it, it's good. I'm just going to pop the other one on quickly. Just brush over there. That is a really nice eyeshadow if you're just doing the school run and you just want to quickly pop something on your eyelids like I normally do. It's like in the morning, usually I only have 10 minutes to get my makeup on, get ready and out the door, because yeah, it's perfect for the school run. So I do like that. Right, so my thoughts on this month's box. It is, I mean, there's not much I don't really like. I actually love that, which is really handy just for quickness in the morning. That is absolutely amazing. The Percy and Reed hair stuff is good. The only thing I didn't show you this is because it's been in a few of my unboxing videos. It's This Works sleep spray, but I'll actually just put it on my t-shirt now because it will smell all day. It's so calming, it's so relaxing, it's a gorgeous lavender scent. It's just amazing. I actually do love that. And you can buy that in TK Maxx and you can buy it at Birchbox. It's just a really all good round item. And I would actually buy that for somebody for a Christmas present or something like that that suffers with anxiety. It just takes the edge off it. It's so calming, relaxing. It does wonders. So that is that. Right, and it just has a little message and it says, "Hello Birchboxers. Newsflash, each and every Birchbox is a born unicorn. How do we know? Well, just like the mystical creatures themselves, all of you are bright, bold and utterly unique, which is why this July we're inviting you to embrace your inner magic and celebrate what makes you one of a kind with your box of personalized beauty treats, rainbow horns and optional." So I think that they've really got my box right this month. They have really got it right. So I like most of their products in this month. It's a really good box and I love the design of that card. Right, so if you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up, like, share, please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in my next video.